What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the divine dialogue before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the divine dialogue works. What is divine dialogue? Divine dialogue is 100% effective and simple. This program shows you real results within days. This program makes you have the good life that most people dream of. This effective guide works with a prayer that suits your needs. Divine dialogue teaches you why some prayers get answered. Divine dialogue offers you preferred strategies that work amazingly. This program uses prayers to change your life for the better. Divine dialogue enhances your relationship with God. Divine dialogue makes you live a happier life. This program makes you feel a warm energy. This program is like a ray of light in the darkness of your life. Divine dialogue offers you great finances and great improvement in your life. In conclusion, this program delivers life-changing benefits and helps you achieve your dreams within days. Divine dialogue allows you to achieve your wildest dreams and financial freedom and regain happiness. I'm confident you will be delighted with how it works for you. Trust me. There is absolutely nothing to risk in trying this program. If you are unsatisfied with your results, you can request a refund. Divine dialogue, does it have a guarantee? This program comes with a full 100% 365-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with divine dialogue right now. Hurry up! Before the deal ends.